Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I put together my Christmas hot cocoa bar. So here's an overview of some of the supplies that I'm going to be using, some candies, some different hot cocos. Here are some containers I'll be using, as well as just some of the little decor pieces that I will be adding on top of my hot cocoa bar, just to give you guys a little inspiration. Of course, you can make it however you want to make it, but these are just some things that I had that I was excited to use on my bar. So first, I'm just going to add my Dress Me Up plate, which I use every year, and I can just change the ribbon out for every season, and I just put that on a gold easel. Then I'm going to add some twinkle fairy lights because I feel like it just really steps up the look of the bar cart and it just makes it look really cute and festive. Then I'm going to add some marshmallows into this cute little container that I got a long time ago. This cute little jar was the perfect way to display your cute little mini marshmallows, but keep them from going stale so they can stay fresh all season long. So now I'm just going to add my hot cocoa mixes so that guests and we can just pick whatever kind we want. It's already right here laid out for us, and you don't have to look for it. So now I'm adding this cute little mason jar that I found at, I think, at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to actually fill this up with sprinkles because it was a really cute way to add some color to my bar cart. If you like sprinkles in your hot cocoa, then you have a variety of sprinkles to choose from, and it would just look really cute to keep out on your bar cart. Then I'm just adding a few of my favorite Christmas mugs. This one that says "Baby, It's Cold" I actually made myself. And then our Mr. and Mrs. mugs, I think those are really cute, and they kind of tie in with the rose gold theme because they had the rose gold handle. I picked up some peppermints and candy canes to add just for a little festive look, and also if you want to add any of that into your hot cocoa to make it peppermint hot cocoa, then it's already there ready for you to use. So just some peppermints and some little candy canes I could put into my cute little Christmas dishes. This just added a cute little bit of Christmas flair, and also I love to have a little bit of Christmas candy on display. I have this cute little snowman dish that I'm just going to fill up with the rest of those candy canes. I'm going to put that onto the bottom of my bar cart. I'm just going to add a few more Christmas mugs, so if we have more than just the two of us over, there's plenty of mugs right there for people just to go ahead and mix their cocoa. I got that sign at Target, which I hauled in my last video, and I'm just added that because I really liked the element of the wood mixed in, and I just thought it looked really cute, and I kept messing around with placement, but I ended up on the bottom. This joy sign is really cute, but it just was too much with the bar cart. It had a lot of glitter, and I just thought it kind of threw off the whole vibe of the cart, so I ended up taking it off and leaving the wood one. Then I finished it with a cute Christmas dish towel to add a little bit of a pop of color, and added some ribbon to the bottom, and that is about it. And I love the way it turned out. I think it looked so cute, and it makes it just fun and to make hot cocoa. Like, everything's right there. You don't have to keep running back and forth into the kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I decorated my bar cart. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. My next video will probably be my decorate my whole house with me, so I hope you guys will be here to see that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.